In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote commercial auto insurance by Progressive. Before you start the quote process, it's a good idea to gather all of your business information in one place. This will make the application much smoother and help you avoid delays. You'll want to have your business name and address ready, along with the type of business you operate, how many years you've been in business, and the number of employees you have. Having these details prepared ahead of time can save you from having to stop midway through the quote. Next, collect the details for each business vehicle you want to insure. This includes the year, make, and model of every vehicle. If you have it available, keep the VIN nearby as well, since that can help ensure accuracy. You should also know the estimated annual mileage for each vehicle and be prepared to explain how each one is used for business. For example, whether it's used for deliveries, job site travel, transporting tools, or something similar. The more accurate this information is, the more reliable your quote will be. You'll also need to prepare driver information. Make sure you have the names of all drivers who will be using the vehicles for business purposes, along with their driver's license numbers and driving histories. This part is important because insurers use driver information to help determine risk and pricing. Once you have everything ready, go to Progressive to request your quote. You can do this through the website, over the phone, or with a licensed insurance agent, depending on what feels most convenient for you. If you prefer a guided experience, speaking with an agent may be especially helpful. As you move through the quote, you'll be asked to choose your coverage. Typical commercial auto insurance options include liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Depending on availability and your situation, you may also see uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, medical payments or personal injury protection, and hired and non-owned auto coverage if your business needs it. Take your time here because the coverage you choose should match how your vehicles are actually used. After that, review your quote carefully. Pay close attention to the coverage limits, deductibles, and premium costs. It's also smart to ask about any business-related discounts or multi-policy savings that may be available, since those can affect your final price. If you're satisfied with the quote, go ahead and purchase the policy. Complete the application, select your policy's effective